अब हम पढ़ेंगे इक्विवेलेंस के बारे में। तो इक्विवेलेंस क्या है कि टू स्टेटमेंट आर सेड टू बी इक्विवेलेंट इफ दे हैव सेम ट्रूथ वैल्यू। So let's say take to a statement P and Q, and let's find some truth values and let's see if they are equivalent or not. P implies Q. First we find P, true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. All the combination, and we know that truth value of P implies Q. This is true, this is false, this is true, true. And let's find the truth value of not P union Q. ट्रूथ वैल्यू क्या होगा? इसका ट्रूथ वैल्यू ऐसा होगा कि we know not P, this is P, so not P will be, this is false, not P. Let's write truth of not P. Not P will be this, false, false, true, true, right? This is P, this is not P. So not P union Q. Not P union Q means P is false and Q is true. So this is true. Not P union Q means P is false and Q is false in the second case. So this is false. Then third is P not P equal to true, Q equal to true. So this will be true. Q not P equal to true, Q equal to false. So union of this will be true. So we can see from here that P implies Q and not P union Q. Both of them the truth value of, both have them the same truth value. So the definition of equivalence says that two statements are said to be equivalent if they have same truth value. So we can say from the definition that P implies Q is equivalent with not P union Q. So both are same because both have the same truth value, right? So from here we can derive that P implies Q equivalent with not P union Q. Let's see the truth value of converse of this P implies Q. Converse means Q implies P. This is converse, right? And we learned that P implies Q equal to not P union Q, right? So that means Q implies P will be not Q equivalent to not Q union P, right? From here we can derive that P implies Q equal to not P union Q. Similarly, Q implies P equal to not Q union P. So we can write it here like this, equal to not Q union P. So if we find the truth value of that, not Q means this is Q, not Q, means this is false, and P means true, false true equal to true, then not Q union P, then not Q means this is true, this is true, so this will be true, then not Q means false, and this is false, so this will be false, not Q, this is true, not Q, Q equal to false, so not Q equal to true, and P equal to false, so union of true false is true. So this is the truth value of converse. Now we'll find the truth value of contrapositive. So what is the contrapositive? Contrapositive is not Q, not Q implies, not Q implies not P, and we can write it like this, equal to Q union not P, right? Because of this equivalence, P implies Q equivalence not P union Q. From that we can derive that. So this, now we'll find the truth value. Q union not P. Q in the first term, first, second, third, fourth, right? So Q union not P in the first term is प्रथम फर्स्ट में क्या है कि Q union not P. Q is true and not P equal to false. So Q union not P union equal to true. So this will be true. Then second में क्या है कि Q union not P. Q is false and union of not P false. So this will be false. So this is false. Similarly third में क्या है कि Q union not P, Q is true, union not P is true, so this will be true. फोर्थ में क्या है कि Q is false, union not P equal to true, so true. So this is true. So true, false, true, true. So this is the truth table of that. Now we can see that P implies Q and not Q implies not P. That means contrapositive. So we can say that uh, P implies Q is equivalent to its contrapositive not Q implies not P. So both of them are equivalent. P implies Q is equivalent to not P implies not Q implies not P. Both of them are equivalent. And now we are going to find the truth table for inverse of P implies Q. Inverse is not P implies not Q. We can write it like this, equal to P union not Q. And you can check it, the truth value will be true, false, true. So which is equal to Q implies P. That means converse. So converse and inverse are equivalent. So from here we can conclude that P implies Q is equivalent to its contrapositive, and the but not equivalent to converse or inverse. And the converse and inverse are equivalent. The converse of inverse of a conditional statement are equivalent. So converse equivalent to inverse, and a P implies Q equivalent to contrapositive. P implies Q is equivalent to its contrapositive not Q implies not P.